In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to promote your YouTube channel using Reddit. We're keeping this simple, respectful of community rules, and focused on value, so you can build trust and bring the right viewers to your channel. Start by logging into your Reddit account. Once you're in, look to the top right and click the plus create button. That opens the post creation page. At the very top, there's a drop-down where you can choose the community or subreddit you're posting to. Pick a subreddit where your content genuinely fits. Before you go further, check that subreddit's rules, which you'll usually find in the About or Rules section on the right side or under the community info. Some communities have strict guidelines about self-promotion, link formats, or weekly threads. Following those rules is the difference between a helpful post and one that gets removed. Next, craft your post. Start with a clear, helpful title that sets the expectation without clickbait. Think about what the community is searching for and describe the value you're providing. Then write your body text. Lead with substance. Share tips from your video, summarize the key points, or answer a common question directly. This positions your post as useful even if no one ever clicks your link. Keep your tone friendly and concise, and make sure your explanation stands on its own. After you've delivered real value, you can optionally add a soft note like, "I made a video on this if anyone wants more detail." If the community explicitly allows self-promo, you can place a direct link right after that line. If links are restricted, skip the link and let your helpful content do the work. Keep a few principles in mind as you post. Choose the right subreddit, follow the rules, and prioritize giving before asking. Avoid spammy phrasing, overuse of emojis, or repeated self-references. At the end, gently mention your video rather than leading with it. Once your post is live, engage in the comments. Answer follow-up questions, clarify points, and be present. Authentic engagement signals to both readers and moderators that you're there to contribute, not just promote. When everything looks good, click post at the bottom right. That's it. With a relevant community, a value-first write-up, a soft mention of your video, and respectful engagement, you'll grow trust and attract viewers who actually care about what you're making.